How are you doing? Welcome to Forkin Delicious. We're here in sunny Cork again. Remember what we say to you, please subscribe. All right, we're trying to reach 1,000 by the end of June. And subscribing helps us. We'll be no one emailing you. Doesn't cost anything and we'd appreciate it. Right, so I'm going to get on with this here anyway. So this is a simple pita bread sandwich I'm going to do in here. Going to use chicken, salami. This is a sun-dried tomato and chili pesto. I bought this, but I thought it was delicious. And I've some rocket, and then I've made a small little mix of red and white onion with some of this pesto in it and a small little bit of oil and some salt and some pepper. All right. So I have some Parmesan cheese here as well. I'm going to use this when I'm cooking the chicken, and you'll see how it turns out there at the end. Hopefully it'll be good, right? And hopefully it'll be what, Shauna?
Forkin delicious.
Forkin delicious, yeah. Okay. So check the pita bread. Beautiful. Lovely. Now, I'm just going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much. So this is chicken fillet. I've just butterflied it. Just run the knife through it at the high point going down to the shallow. So now they're pretty much the same, all right? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this pesto here. And I'm just going to kind of use it like a very quick marinade. I'm going to put it on both sides, but I have a feeling it won't really stick to this side because, oh, maybe this side here will be okay. Yep. I'm going to use another bit of salt and pepper here now in a minute. And a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And now, like when I was doing the stir fry a couple episodes back, I've the pan on just heating up with no oil in it. And I'm going to put some oil in now, and then I'm going to add my chicken in. So I have the pan heated dry. I've just put the oil to it. And now I'm just going to add in my chicken. So you can hear that nice sizzle. And what I want to do here is cook it on each side. So when I flip this over in a minute, I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese onto it to let it melt. And I'm going to put a couple of pieces of salami. So I'm just going to heat some of this salami. Just very quickly. I'm going to put it on maybe even and take it off again. Because I just want it to heat without cooking. So now I've just put this on only just for a couple of seconds. The salami. Just to get some of the fat out of it. Give it a little bit of crispness. I think it also gives it a better little bit of flavour. So that's that one out of the way. So I'll just put that over here for a minute. And I'm just waiting for these to cook another bit. So they're back on the heat now. And you can always take a look underneath, look. So I'm grating on some Parmesan here now. Then I'm going to take my little bits of salami. And that's coming off the heat. Just turning them, just for a little minute or two. It's really just to crisp up the Parmesan there. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them into the pita bread with some rocket and some of that little macerated red and white onion with the pesto, the chili pesto, and a little bit of oil. So now we're back here. I've just added the rocket into this. Don't put it in too early because it'll actually kind of wilt away and kind of, lose its color maybe a little bit, and it's kind of crispiness, So this is just a very small bit of filling to go in. This is our pita bread, and we've just toasted that and just split it open. So what we're looking to do is put a little bit of salad in there. And then what we're looking to do is put one of these nice little bits of chicken in here as well. So I'll take this lifter. Take another little bit of that salad in there. So then just a little bit more cheese. And this will actually be, you don't need any sauce. You could put a sauce in if you want. You can put in some Chick-fil-A or some hot sauce or whatever you like. We're going to add a little bit of this sauce from Cork, this BRAZEN hot sauce. It's actually only number 2, so it's not that hot. But to me, I think it'll be too hot. I think this one is for the camera, for the director and producer to taste. Definitely. Now, we can cut this in half. We have a nice plate here. You could always put just a little bit of salad on the side. And that's our chicken salami Parmesan cheese with red pesto, chili, red pesto dressing, we'll say. I have a friend who has a place in the black market and calls all his sandwiches, you know, after different characters from the Sopranos. So I think I'm going to name this one The Godfather.
Why?
Because I love The Godfather. He loves The Sopranos, but I love The Godfather. And I'm going to do one in the next lot of episodes where it's going to be like a fish finger sandwich, right? But making the fish fingers yourself. And I'm going to call it the Luca Brazzi. And anyone can look that up and tell me what's the connection that is with kind of gangster movies. So it's going to be the Luca Brazzi fish finger sandwich. And you can tell me why I picked that one. All right? Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. We'll say good luck here from Cork. We're finished for the day. It's great to get out of this county. I mean, I'll be sad to leave this county. And we'll see you in the next one. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.